Hello? There's somebody. Wait, there's somebody in my house trying to kill me? That's pretty bad. Okay. Yeah. So you know what? Here's what I'll do. So I'll get rid of the problem, by means, and but first I need to do some cosmetic stuff, cause like I need to look cool first, right? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Bye. Thanks. Haha! I have found it. Came here all by myself. I didn't even have to hunt you down. Oh, guess what? You're going down. I got a weapon that can surpass Metal Gear. Haha, little does he know, I have my trump card. Oh my god. I'm having memories of dead. Dead means heart attack. Okay, aside from that, pretty stupid skit I made, this thing is pretty cool, but there's a lot of problems with it. So first of all, it doesn't shoot the spaghetti very far, and it actually doesn't shoot spaghetti, it shoots soba noodles, and it only shoots them about 1 to 2 meters. That is 3 to 6 feet for you. Is it customary? Or imperial or whatever. I live in America, I don't use those measurements, whatever. In the event that you're wondering how this works, it's fairly simple. You hit this button, an air pump goes on, pumps air into this 1 liter bottle, goes into this air, valve, or it's supposed to be a water valve, and it's pretty hard to open, which is a big flaw in this, because it takes a while to shoot, and then the air goes out into this, and the pipe leads through here and shoots out there. The reason why this thing is there is because there was epoxy there that dried. So yeah, I think that's most of the gun. If you want to make this yourself, it's pretty easy. You could probably make it for 20 to 30 bucks. The hardest thing to get your hands on would probably be the motors, but I'll put a link in them in the description, and they're on Amazon, so most of you should be able to get them pretty fine. Anyway, I'm going to cut the explanation part of this video rather short, because I'm running out of storage. I have 2 last things to add. First of all, I have a Discord server, link in the description. I've had it for a while now, I just want to upload it on my newest video instead of making a video dedicated to it because it's not that important. And also, I'm having an important video after this that's important for the channel, but it's not like me building anything cool. Anyway, that's it. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe because I'm desperate. Dislike the video if you think the spaghetti gun is a lame because it doesn't actually shoot spaghetti and it only shoots soba noodles, or like it if you think it's really cool, which is the way to go, yeah. So like the video, and goodbye.